Good morning, all of you. Today we will start our new topic in chapter number 2, more on Windows 7. Our next topic is copying data to a CD. You know that if you want to save your data, you have to save it on any portable device. Either it is CD, DVD or pen drive. But we are talking about only a CD and DVD. How you have to save your data to your CD from your system to a CD. If you want to copy your data from your system computer to a CD, what are the steps to follow to proceed this process? So our process is to save important features of our CD and DVD, just like as you are saving your data on your hard disk. You had seen the hard disk on your system. It is already by default present when you purchase a computer. When it will be get any fault on the hard disk, you have to replace it. You had seen these drives in the My Computer option in your desktop. There is a drive C and D drive, there is a E and F drives. So these are all present in your hard disk and they are occupying a space to collect your data. So whenever you need to copy your data, you have to copy it on your hard disk. Just like that, you have to save or copy your data to a CD. What are the steps we will see in your book? Let's start our topic. Copying data to a CD. If you want to copy your data from your computer to a CD, the following processes are there. Saving information, important information on a CD, DVD is as easy as saving it on hard disk. To save your data or information onto your CD or DVD is just like saving your data on your hard disk. You can create your own CD DVD by selecting a folder of software or media files and dragging it to CD DVD icon into your computer folder. You can create your own CD and DVD folders or media files and dragging it to the CD and DVD icons. You can create your own folders, and if you want to send it to your CD, you just have to drag your folder and copy it to the CD and DVD icon. Click the left mouse button and drag your folder to that folder where you want to copy your contents. This process is known as burning. Insert a CD into your computer. The autoplay dialog box appears. When you will insert your CD onto your computer, the autoplay dialog box will be appear. Click on the burn files to disk using Windows Explorer option. There is a Windows Explorer option. There is option burn files to disk. Click on that. The burn a disk dialog box appear. Mention the CD name in the disk title. This is a burn disk dialog box. Mention your title. Whichever you want to give your title to save, disk title you have to mention. And click on the next button. There is a next button. An empty disk folder opens. Drag the files that you want to burn into the folder. Whatever the files you want to send or burn, you can click the empty. You will see an empty folder will be appears, opens. You have to just drag your files and click on that folder. On the toolbar, click on the burn to disk button. There is a button on the toolbar. Click on the burn to disk button, then follow the steps in the wizard. So this is the process to copy a data to a CD. Now comes to displaying two windows at a time. If you want to see your two windows on your system, how you can manage that? In Windows 7, you can display two application windows side by side. Open Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint programs one by one. The PowerPoint windows is active at present. When two windows will be appear, open. One is PowerPoint Word and one is one is Microsoft Word and one is Microsoft PowerPoint. Then the PowerPoint window is active at present time. Now right click anywhere on the blank portion of the Windows 7 taskbar. Now right click of your mouse on the blank portion of the desktop window. Click on the show windows side by side option. Now you have to click on this option, show windows side by side option from the shortcut menu. Both the application windows will be displayed side by side. What you have to do it? Recall it. First open both the windows. Your present window is PowerPoint. Now right click anywhere on the blank portion of the Windows 7 taskbar. You have to click on the Windows 7 taskbar, right click, then click on the show windows side by side option from the shortcut menu. Both the application windows will be displayed side by side. So this is the process displaying two windows at a time. Thank you class.